Hi, we're going on a bear hunt.
That's not factual. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Since we've seen you. So
yeah.
Hi. If
Hi.
you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacqueline.
I'm David.
And we're at Elizabeth Park in Hartford. Is this Hartford or West Hartford?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's both.
I don't know.
And we're taking a nice little
Strolly stroll.
Morning stroll because it's beautiful. It's like literally beautiful out, and
this is a good time to absorb all of the allergens in you.
We're trying to be a little more active.
Yeah.
So, and go outside. Personally, I used to go hiking like 2-3 times a week, or at least go on like a walk through the woods every once in a while, if not doing like a full-on intense hike. So I figured we would say hello and show you a couple of shots of how beautiful the grounds are here, and then for the rest of this vlog we are going to be home decor shopping. We need a new shower curtain like really badly.
Yeah.
And like a new carpet and towels and all of that nonsense.
I really thought you were going to say something like eating cupcakes. Like, we're going on this walk so we can justify eating all of the cupcakes.
I mean, I wouldn't be mad about it if
No,
we went and got some cupcakes. But yeah, that's our story for now. And I'm going to turn you guys around and show you some of the pretty views.
It's really beautiful
here.
Yeah.
And we'll probably see you tomorrow, right? You think maybe tomorrow?
Tomorrow
we can do some home decor shopping.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Because you have a lot of work to do today.
I do.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
That's our story. Okay. Okay. This is what we're looking at. I like this path. Yeah. It's cute. Elizabeth Park Conservatory. Hosta.
It's a hostile garden.
They don't even have any variegated ones. Oh, here's some variegated ones. I like hosta. It's nice ground cover. It's easy. Comes back every year. And it's pretty.
Ooh, we have lemon lime hosta.
It has pink stems. It's cute. See, this is what mine always ends up looking like, though. I can't tell if it's rabbits or slugs. And then, yeah, slugs eat everything. Just cute little pond. This is where we sat that time. Oh, we did. We sat under this tree. I remember because there were old people sitting here staring at us.
And she brought breadcrumbs.
They're gonna survive without our little breadcrumbs.
Yeah, I know. I just want to grab. My watch is hilarious. They just asked me, it's like, are you working out?
We can't tell.
I'm like, alright, whatever. So maybe it's been a while.
Little squirrel.
Squirrel. You're making squirrel chirpy noises?
What you eating? It's like he's eating an M&M. Also, my friend told me there was poison ivy in here. I noticed it in the back of our video. He was like, "There's poison ivy behind you. Like, try not to touch it." I love this place.
It's like the kind of place where there's witches.
Exactly. That's why I like it.
Is there a skull in this one?
You want to go that way? That's like the perfect size greenhouse. Yeah, that's what I want mine to look like. I like them too. They look emo. That's why I like dark foliage. This is the perfect greenhouse. And then all the on the side of the house there, like all the whatever plant that is growing. No, the one that's growing on that. Oh, it's all cacti and succulents in here. For the most part, look at the euphorbia. All of this ivy or whatever it is growing on the side of the house is beautiful. There's a pile of mulch there. It looks like
It's shaggy. It's pretty cool.
It looks like it belongs in Dr. Seuss. Windy.
Hi.
What's today?
No.
Wednesday, May
11th.
11th.
Wednesday, May 11th.
It's the next day.
And we're taking a stroll to in a different place.
Mm-hmm.
With it. You think that's part of the ropes course?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Probably. It is ropes.
It is
and
ropes.
cables
Okay.
on cut trees.
So, yeah, and we're Hartford, Connecticut waterfront. And so,
The water.
taking a little stroll by the water.
It's pretty.
It is pretty. You're pretty.
We wanted to do another
Oh, that's nice.
morning walk today before.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, with the road right there.
We needed a
Um,
little explode. That's actually I-91. So
Yeah. Before we do some
Stuff.
home decor shopping
Right.
later today. But I'm going to turn you around and show you this view. Oh,
Sorry
okay.
about that.
Or kick some plastic.
That's
That's
fine. It's to feed the sea turtles.
This is a nice view.
It is. That's a bridge. I need to get better at knowing the landmarks so I can go into tour mode.
Yeah. It's cute over here.
That's water.
It's nice. Caught you. What do you think the sculpture is? It looks like a
Oh.
fish.
Oh, geez.
What do you think it is? Hurry, quick.
I think it's a butt.
You're so
There's probably
childish.
not a reason to have
It's
butt
probably
sculptures.
not anything at all. It's
No.
just like a
It's probably something
random.
super serious and we're making fun of it now. It looks like a turkey.
Oh, maybe it does kind of look like a turkey. It kind of looks like a butt though.
It looks like a butt with
I
a turkey
can't-
coming out of it.
I kind of feel like you might have won that one.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Abraham Lincoln. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, he was sad about the first time he killed a wild
Oh,
turkey.
it's Jack the Turkey. Okay.
Okay. The one he murdered? All right.
All right. So presidential turkey pardons. I have to say, I did not expect that statue to be there.
No, I didn't either. I thought it was going to be something weird and abstract.
Right. Like, oh, this lump of stone represents the struggle between man and his inner self. All right.
Sure. This is cool. Kind of cool.
Yeah.
What's up there? I don't think you can get up there. That's like from something else. A lovely mosaic. It's cute. I like this little, I like that you can walk under this little tunnel though. It's cool. Sculptures. That one looks like a weird robot thingy.
Yeah, no idea what that is.
That's just a piece of metal and it's art. Oh, see, that one looks like a fish. Somebody gave her flowers. What is it? I mean, it's really cool. The details on it. Elizabeth Keckley was a former slave.
We can make half the pasta.
No. Well, I'm curious what's over here. It's cute. Sure. I bet I could beat you to the top. Okay. We were up here before, right? When we ate, we sat out here. This is a nice view. Oh God. I'm gonna have an asthma attack now. Hey.
Hi everybody. People.
Tell them where we are.
We're in Connecticut. Where are we? Manchester, Connecticut.
Manchester.
Yes, Manchester man. We're doing some home decor type shopping, and so we're just gonna check out a Bed Bath & Beyond, and I want to go into World Market because they have chocolate.
Yeah, they have cute home decor stuff too.
Yeah, whatever, chocolate.
And
It's
then
fine.
we're gonna go to
I don't know where else. we
Home
have to go.
Sense.
Are
There's
you-
a Home Sense.
Is that
over
what it's
here.
called?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I've never been to one,
Oh, all right.
so we're
Well,
gonna check it out and see why
let's
it's
do it.
different than Home Goods.
We're gonna go get our consumerism on,
Yes.
but we have a purpose. We're not just wandering around looking to spend money on crap.
No, we need a shower curtain.
Though if they do have that waffle maker that makes them into Legos,
No.
I'm really interested. But whatever. It's fine.
Anyway, let's go into Bed Bath & Beyond and
Okay.
see what they have.
Here we go.
It's good.
Oh, look, garden accessories. Do you need a little garden thing? It is $20, and it has a fork.
No, I don't need garden
Aw.
stuff. These are cute though. Some massive poots. Poots.
I swear I thought you said poops.
I like these if they were smaller. No, but I like this. All the cute little lamps and stuff.
I like the
Throw pillows. Plain one. Pretty much. Okay, World Market. We've never been to this one.
No.
We've only been to the one.
Exciting.
Where's that one? Other one in Farmington,
Yes.
and it's like in a basement. So
Next to the
maybe this one's bigger.
It is.
Oh, so cute. Everything is so cute in here. I don't even know where to start. Look at all the fake plant stuff. This is so cute. I like that too.
You know how I feel about these.
Yeah.
Perfect for every plant.
That one's pretty small.
It is pretty small.
These pots are kind of cool.
How about the fake Tetris form? Is it wide form and narrow form?
I can't not look at the plant stuff.
You want to do this?
Thank you.
It's nice.
Cute mirror. Say hi.
Oh, hey.
The triangle thingy. I like it. Oh, this is cool. I like this. These are cute too. This is cute. I like this.
It's really sketchy.
Why is everything so freaking cute? And the little cute little glass jars too. Wow, you don't need to. Yeah, I see these all the time. Pillows. Oh man, baskets. Oh, here's some bath towels. Yeah, well, because it's a nice color. You're the only one who feels that way. That's kind of fun. I dig it. Yeah, this one's got more stuff, I feel like. More like home decor stuff. You need birds.
Feels like it's pulling my eye out of my skull. something in my eye. Hold on.
Oh.
It's fine. Hi.
Hello.
We're good.
So that was World Market.
Yeah.
And we actually decided that we're probably not gonna go to HomeSense because we got what we mostly needed. Like, I really wanted a shower curtain and a new carpet because we threw them out and we needed a new one. So we're gonna go.
And all in all, like, this was a pretty cheap trip.
Yeah,
we did okay.
It really wasn't that bad. The shower curtain I got on sale for $17 at Bed Bath & Beyond. Because thanks to my mom, I had a $20 coupon, 20% off coupon, not $20, or else it would have been faux free.
Yeah.
And then we got some stuff, some decor stuff that I showed you guys. I absolutely like couldn't leave without the butterfly thing.
Yeah, no.
That's exactly what I've been saying that I've been looking for.
100%.
And it's nice and big. We have these big high ceilings, so it'll be good to fill in some space.
Yep.
Maybe we could figure out where to put it today. I don't want it like rolled up or folded up though. Like, I want to put it up, you know,
yeah, no,
so that it doesn't get like wrinkly. So
yeah,
maybe we'll try and
spots.
figure that out today and show you guys what that looks like, because we have another big macrame that's going over the bed, but we haven't quite figured out how to hang that yet.
It's heavy.
It is heavy.
Yeah.
So eventually we're going to give you like the whole room makeover tour. I've got to get new bedding and everything too, but today we were focused on the bathroom and I'd say that we did a pretty good job.
Yeah, we did.
We just need towels, but we want to go to Target for those because they usually have like the good towels. So I don't really have the energy to be walking around HomeSense, I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, we're good.
So we got some gummy worms we're gonna eat on our way home and hang out, and when we get there I will give you a closer look at everything that we got and what it looks like in the apartment. So
sounds good to meet you.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to do more home decor shopping with us and hang with us and go on nature walks,
whatever weird
with
stuff
us,
we do,
yeah, this was kind of like this is like a day in the life vlog for us. So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything from us.
You and me together, which is us.
Help us get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can monetize our channel and do live streams over here with you guys. It'll be a lot of fun. So
right, we'd like to hang out.
He wrote a book.
I did, yeah. No, check
He's
that
writing
out,
another one too.
Well, I mean, it depends on your definition of writing. But
you
sure.
should read the first one.
Yes, please.
And then encourage him kindly
just read it
to
slowly,
write the second one.
I'm working on it.
Anyway, we appreciate you, fam, and we will see you in the next one.
Okay, now I can wait.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.